down out there, everybody, man. It's your boy Finesse Game, the best game, man. If you ain't heard of me, I'm on YouTube, Facebook. Check my music videos out. But hey, I got something for y'all, man. Download right now for free the hip hop manual of an independent artist in 2020, how to get your money. Download it for free right now. Link in my bio. Everything you need to know right now. You can't let this opportunity slip away from you. I'm finna give y'all some real game. I got links up in the PDF file. Anything you need to know, all you need is grind. I did all the work for you. I done lost money. I done made money. I done made mistakes. I done made some good moves, some bad moves. I cut all that work out for you. All you got to do right now is go on and download it right now. Link in the bio. It's for free. You know what I mean? Check it out. That's for y'all. I'm just trying to give back. That's it. I'm just trying to give back. Like I say, it's your boy Finesse Game, the best game. If you ain't heard of me, you can go follow me on YouTube. Check out my music videos. Give me a like and a comment. Tell me what y'all think about that. You know what I mean? I got a lot of things planned. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna relaunch the Pimp Monk Chronicle series again. Y'all check that out. It's on my page. Go check that out. That's coming back real soon. So I got a lot of things planned, man. You know what I mean? 2020 is looking up. Thank God I'm here. You know what I'm saying? Thank God for my trials and tribulations. It's time to get this money, man. That's it. You know what I mean? It's time to start being man, taking care of our family, doing what we supposed to do. You know what I mean? That penal system ain't nothing, man. All it's gonna do is take years away from your life. And you're gonna be stuck. I know. I did it. So past that, right now we about grown man. We trying to have acres and land, and to give some to our offspring. You know, somebody got to break the generational curse. You know what I mean? Everybody can't be broke. Why not you? You know what I'm saying? Why not you? Everybody can't be broke. Somebody got to break the generational curse. So get your money, man. Get your money, man. I'm finna help y'all do it. If you really want to be a musician, if you really want to take this serious, I'm finna cut all the work out for you. All the mistakes I made, you ain't got to make them. Download it right now for free. I'm giving it to you for free. Links are all in the PDF. You don't have to do nothing but follow it and go get it and come back with it. You sitting on your ass and you looking, I'm finna give it to you right in your hand. These are Jews. This is gonna take 4 or 5 years off your career, so you ain't gotta go through all that. Here. Now what you gonna do? Now is you gonna sit and look at it, or is you gonna go get it and come back with it? Now that's up to you. You know what I mean? Hey, all I can do at the end of the day is say, hey, I gave them the tools they need. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no more making going in and out of jail. You know what I'm saying? You can't get on a steady grind if you steady in jail. Cause I don't care who you is, every time you go to jail, you take a loss. Then you got to come back out and do it all the way over again. You know what I'm saying? After a while, time will keep coming up on you, and then you realize you got to grow up. You know what I'm saying? Get some money, man. So start living, start having. Don't let them folks put you in them chains and you be gone for a long time. You know what I mean? That ain't what's up. Man. Live your life, live your truth. Do you. Don't worry about what people say, because people gonna talk down anyway. Get your money, keep your head on the swivel, and keep it pushing. This is for y'all, man. Happy 2020. Like I say, download it. If you're really trying to be an artist, I'm giving this away for free. This is free game. I ain't never signed to a major label. And I passed a $2 million deal up. $2 million. A lot of people ask me, man, why you do that? Because I didn't like what the ink said. You know what I mean? I'm an independent artist. If I gotta pretty much do this for y'all, for if I take this money and what y'all want me to do for this money complements my character, I'm not gonna do it, no matter how much money it is, because the industry can't change you, only you can change you. The industry cannot change you, only you can change you. So like I say, man, thanks to everybody that showed me love and showed me support. Like I say, the Angel Baby video is out right now on YouTube. Go check that out, starring Kiara Ryder, my homegirl. Hey, what's up? Not only that, the Exit Freestyle video is out right now. Yeah, man. Go check that out, man. Finesse game, the best game. And if you ain't disagree, because you lame. That's for real. I'm gonna holler at y'all, man.